Hello my friends and welcome to this week's Make and Take. This week we are making this cute little card. It's actually a carrot card and on the inside it says, I hope you know how much I care about you. And what's even cuter is that there's an envelope that this comes out of, like right, like you're taking the carrot out, but it's actually like this is the dirt and you're actually unburying your carrot. So fun, so fun. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here, friends. All right, so we have all of these fun little bits and pieces here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull these things out. We have our fun ribbons. We of course have our carrot bits, our little sentiment, and this little brown piece of paper, which we are going to use. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here. You are going to of course need a couple little things like a brown marker and also an orange marker and some glue and some scissors. So if you do not have a brown marker or orange marker in your life, you're going to want to snag that right now. And I'm going to grab orange and brown. There we are. All right, so just prepare yourself with those little bits. Okay, so what we have here is we have traced a carrot shape on the front of your card. Now there is a fold part here in the card. It's very important you do not cut into the fold, otherwise you will end up with two carrots rather than a carrot themed card. All right, so we're gonna take our scissors here and we're just gonna go ahead and cut out our carrot shape. I'm gonna go up towards the top here and I'm just going to round this off, but again, I'm not cutting anywhere straight along this top area where the fold is at. Now I'm going to round the edges and go back down towards the point. All right, so there we have our carrot shaped card. Perfect. The other thing that we are going to need here is we're going to need to cut this shimmery orange paper also into the carrot shape. The carrot shape that is on here, this little traced design, is slightly smaller than the other carrot card base. So that's why it's important that you cut this one out all of the way, because this one is going to go inside the card. Okay, so you see how that's going to go down and how it matches up really nice and perfectly with a light orange border on all four sides. We're not going to glue that down quite yet, but we are going to soon. Now, all of these little pieces here, we are actually going to use those, not quite yet, but we just know that we are going to be using them. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take this mesh ribbon, and this mesh ribbon we're actually going to fold in half, then we're going to fold it in half again, and fold it in half one more time. Then we're going to take our scissors and we're going to cut up the center all at once. So then that way you end up with this really long piece like this. You can use both of these in your card or you can just use one, it's totally up to you. But the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ends and I'm going to cut it into a little point. These little pieces, we are going to be saving those as well. And the other side, I'm going to cut into a little point. I'm probably just going to use one piece of this mesh ribbon for my card, but you can use the other piece if you would like to as well. It's totally up to you. Okay, now we're going to take our carrot card, we're going to fold it, and then on the fold side, this is the only time we're going to be cutting into the fold side, we're going to cut a very small triangle into the center at the very top. And it's going to cut out, it goes away, that goes in the garbage, and you see when you open it up, there's this little diamond shape in the center. We want that, we're doing that on purpose. All right, now you're going to use your glue, or if you happen to have double-sided tape, we would love some double-sided tape. Double-sided tape I do highly recommend, but if you don't have it, that's okay. You can use glue for this part. What you're going to do is you're going to take the double-sided tape and stuck it right in the center of the carrot on the bottom, all right? So right in the center there. I'm going to peel off this film on the back side there so it's all nice and sticky. Now I'm going to take my mesh ribbon, I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to take that halfway part and slide it through that little diamond for the back side and bring it down to the front, and I'm just going to press that into the double-sided tape there, okay? So now when you don't close your card completely, otherwise it will stick together, but when I start to close it, you see how the top of that looks like a little carrot topper. Yes, so cute. We're going to do the same thing here with this orange satin ribbon. I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to slide that halfway point again through that top of that little diamond shape there and slide that down on top of the double-sided tape again. All right, now I'm going to take my carrot shape. I'm going to put glue on the back side. I'm going to put the glue on three sides. On the side, I guess on two sides really, on the side there and on the side up here. I'm not really going to put a lot of glue at the top because you can see here it's not really going to stick very well because of the ribbon. All right, once the glue is in place, we're going to flip that over and we're going to slide that right on top of the bottom carrot shape so that you get an even border of the light orange on around all the sides there. All right, we're going to press that down. Oh my gosh, it's already so cute. I love it so much. Oh my goodness. All right. Now we're going to take our fun little sentiment that says, I hope you know how much I care it about you. I'm going to put some glue on the back side. I don't want to put a lot of glue because if I put a lot of glue, the warping will happen with the paper. I'm going to put my little sentiment up here on the top carrot. All right. Now when I close my carrot, it's time to use my orange marker to make the little carrot lines. And to make the carrot lines, I'm kind of a curved shape. I'm doing some long ones and some short ones. And I'm going to do those from both sides. And I'm making it slightly curved to make it give the idea that it's a curved carrot. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side to make it kind of curvy looking. Some long ones and some short lines and kind of a curved shape to make it look more like a carrot. Oh my gosh, look how cute the carrot is. I'm also going to take a moment here for the satin ribbon. I'm going to cut this into a little point as well, just because I want it to be pointy and I think it will look a little nicer for my finished card. Boop, boop. There we are, looking fantastic, love. All right, so our carrot part is done, but now we're going to decorate the envelope. So what I'm going to do here is I have this little brown strip of paper. I'm going to take my brown marker and kind of do like some little curves, kind of like a little squiggly line and a couple little extra lines to make it look like dirt. Because this is where we're going to glue this down, make it look like tiny carrots are growing out of the dirt. And I'm going to use that little curved line as a guide, so then that way I can go ahead and cut out my dirt. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just put glue on the sides and along the bottom and on the side. I'm going to leave the top where that curve is. I'm going to leave that without glue. I'm going to take my envelope. On the front of my envelope, I'm actually going to stick my dirt down and I'm going to stick that in place. I'm going to let that dry and that way I don't accidentally glue in my tiny carrots. Now if you're thinking, what tiny carrots, Ellie? Well, I'm going to show you. All right, so you'll see here how on your light green or your light orange pieces, how you have kind of this triangle shape, and then also with your shimmery orange pieces, again, you have kind of this triangle shape. Well, guess what? Those kind of look like carrots. So we're going to go ahead and just cut these into little triangles so that they look more carrot-esque. And I'm going to round the top there so it makes it look more like a little carrot. And you can make as many carrots as your heart desires. I'm probably only going to do maybe 3 carrots, but you can do a lot if you want to do a lot more. You have a lot of scrap paper to work with here. Right, a triangle, a little curve, and of course we have our triangle and our little curve. All right, okay, so when you have, wow, that does not look very carrot shaped. We'll make a slightly smaller carrot there. There we go. All right, so now you have some pieces that look like little carrots. Now remember these pieces, I told you like, oh, we're probably going to be using those. Well, now here's the chance. Now we're going to be using them. All right, so I think that I am probably going to take one of these and cut it in half, so that way I have a few extra little pieces to work with. I'm actually going to use double-sided tape for this part. I'm going to take a little bit of double-sided tape and put it on the back side of each little carrot. And then I'm going to take the little stem and stick with the top. So once I've stuck that little bit of ribbon at the top there to act as the little stem of the carrot, I'm going to take the rest of this is sticky already because of the double-sided tape. I'm just going to take that little guy now and actually, I want to add some little orange lines to this. So before I stick it down, I'm just going to add some little orange lines to make it look more carrot-esque. Okay, great. Now I'm going to plant it or stick it into the ground. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, so we're going to do that with all of our carrots. Now, my orange marker is not going to dry on this shimmer paper. Your orange marker might, but I know mine will not. So for this carrot, I'm going to do the same thing I did before, double-sided tape on the back side, stick on my little carrot stem there. So cute. Stick that one in the ground as well. Oh, maybe I want a little bit more of a stem. There we go. All right. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. Oh, it's kind of like a stem. Hold on, bear with me here, friends. Just want a really good carrot stem. You know what? I think we're going to call this one good. Okay, so then we have our little stem there. And then for the last and final carrot on the back side here, I'm actually going to put double-sided tape on the back side of this shimmery carrot. And then I'm going to stick this little bit of mesh ribbon on that one. Look how cute it is. And we're going to put that one on the back side. All right. Okay. Now Now we have kind of our carrot theme going on, continuous from the envelope. All right, so we have our carrot on the back side as like a little seal, and then on the front side we have our little carrots like they're planted, and then we have our carrot card, so cute with our little sentiment, and we're gonna put that on the inside. All right, friends, and there we have our carrot make and take. Yes. Hope you guys had lots of fun. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you guys soon, friends. Bye-bye.